already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. Putting on a show, I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own. Coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties, they can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't play me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way.
mau naik ke sini dari situ loh.
Those who hold me down, and I will never give up. I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance to give now. And I will always live my daily forward, and I will never give those who hold me down, and I will never give up. I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance to give now. You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? They can take it back what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you're found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control and don't just take it, eh? You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over. And I will never give up. I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my